All right. Sorry, those who joined from YouTube. I started not long ago. I hope you can manage from here. All right. So yeah, all welcome. As I was saying, earning a passive income is very, very important and very necessary because you don't need to be present to be able to earn. So that is a smart way of earning money, right? So if I'm sick and I'm not able to go to work, I know that, oh, my Royal Q robot is buying and selling for me. The money I invested in my trades is busy working for me. I know I've created the team through the Royal Q application. So even if I personally do not activate someone, or I'm not able to, how do you call it? Yeah, bring someone on board. I know my team members, one or two or three of them might activate. So I'm going to earn from there because I created those group of people. You understand it? Great. Now, how do you grow your wealth? Hmm. You all agree with me that uh, it's as if you have a seed. After you have planted it, what do you have to do? You have to take care of it so that it can yield more fruits for you. So if you have wealth and you don't know how to grow it, it's not going to flourish well for you. Okay. Now, there are so many ways that one can actually grow wealth. We have through bank, okay, we have a lot of investments. In Ghana, we have the treasury bill. We have so many investments at the bank that if you walk to your bank and you are like, hey, bank, I want to do something, I want to invest in something, they'll definitely get something for you. Let's look at gold and silver. One can actually grow wealth through gold and silver. And per my findings, 3 to 9% per annum. It's funny when you see this return on investment. When in crypto, one can make 300%, 10%, 5%, even on daily basis. Today, one of my team members made 10% on a coin. Just like that. So imagine if you had 1,000 or 10,000 invested in that coin he traded and he made 10% of that. Is that not money? That is good money. Okay. Another way to grow wealth is mutual funds, and that is 12 to 15% per annum. Real estate ranges from 15 to 20% per annum. But let's look at crypto on the chart here. You can see that when you grow your wealth through crypto, you would have good uh, money. Okay, there'll be tremendous growth growing your funds through crypto. That brings us to the next question. What is cryptocurrency? Because not everybody knows about cryptocurrency. Okay. I saw some funny video when someone was asking what is Bitcoin or something, and the person was saying, is it a male or a female? Who is that? It's funny, but that is the reality. Not everybody knows about cryptocurrency. So I'm going to take my time and explain it for you to understand the breakdown. Okay? All right. I like explaining with uh proofs or illustrations so that it won't be like, hey, it's coming from her head. By now, she's lying to us. So I'll use my chat GPT. I love it a lot. If you are not using it, you have to make sure you make good use of it. It's an AI, okay? All right. So, what are cryptocurrencies? Or what is cryptocurrency? Okay, let's see the results. Okay. So, cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual money that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments like the dollar or the euro, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. That is a public ledger that records all transactions. So, in a layman's definition, I would say cryptocurrency is money on the internet. So you understand it. It's not physical cash, it's virtual money. But it has to pass through a process for it to become physical cash at your hand. Now, let's look at some quick features of cryptocurrencies. One, they are decentralized. Most cryptocurrencies aren't controlled by any central authority, like a bank or a government. Okay. Two, blockchain. Transactions are recorded in blocks and linked together chronologically. This makes the data hard to alter and helps prevent fraud. Three, limited supply. Limited. Many cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have a maximum supply, which can make them deflationary. Four, peer to peer transactions. You can simply call it P2P. You can send and receive money directly without needing a middleman like a bank. Popular examples include Bitcoin. In fact, that is the first cryptocurrency that erupts. Ethereum and Solana. People use them for investments, online purchases, or even as a way to transfer money globally. I believe this brief explanation has given you some idea. Okay, so let's go back to the story of Bitcoin. So, yeah, in 2008, a group of people anonymously known as Satoshi Nakamoto created the first and leading cryptocurrency in the market today, Bitcoin. In 2009, it was launched to the world. Presently, there are more than 20,000 cryptocurrencies and increasing day by day as its popularity among its users is increasing due to its substantial growth in value over the years. So, in 2009, it was launched and the price was less than a cent. But a lot of people did not believe in it. They were like, oh, this is not true. I don't think someone can just buy an asset, then within some short period of time, that asset would appreciate and I'll make profit. We had a lot of doubting Thomases by then, and I don't blame them. Even me, when I heard of cryptocurrency, that was in 2016. But what scared me was people were like, hey, it's for rich people. Oh, if you are not rich, don't venture. Hey, can you buy? You have no idea. Meanwhile, by then, BTC was not even up to thousand Ghana $1,000. But because I heard people saying, hey, it's not something that you are even a kid, you can't. It's expensive. I didn't do my due diligence by then. Shame on me. So I just believed what they said. But 2017, I started like everywhere I go on social media, I see adverts on cryptocurrency. I'm like, why do I keep seeing all these adverts here and there? Then I ventured into online business. That was when I started getting the knowledge little by little, doing my own research. Then it brought me to this point. So, the price was less than a cent. Those who believed in it, believed, took it and ran with it. Today, those people are billionaires in crypto. They are millionaires in crypto because they took advantage of it. Okay. Some people bought it, but they didn't know how to manage it. Some have lost their how do you call it? Oh, it's Rabbi here to help me. Their passphrase. Some have lost their how do you call it? There is something that we keep cryptocurrencies on. They had um ah, the thing is not coming. Guys, help me. Those who know it, help me. So we have a device where you can keep cryptocurrencies on. Okay. Once you lose the key, then that is all for you. The crypto become useless. But now we have advanced that you can also keep it on your exchange, not wallet or exchange, crypto exchange. All right. So uh, today, as I'm talking to you now, BTC is at 86,000. So imagine a coin that was less than a cent. It wasn't up to even 10 cents. And today, that coin is being sold at 86,000. You tell me, this one, you don't even need to know crypto to be able to tell if the person has made profit or not. Something less than a cent. Today, that same thing is being sold at 86,000. Is that not a massive growth? Like looking at it in percentage wise, I feel that is huge. That is a lot. Okay. So, yes, that is about cryptocurrencies. Now, cryptocurrency is a global digital currency. Crypto is a digital money that can be used globally with the same value worldwide. It means if you are in whatever country and you send whatever cryptocurrency to another person, it's the same value. They don't say, oh, because you are sending from this country, so the price has changed here. No, it's a global digital currency. The whole world, it's the same value. Blockchain technology. Cryptocurrency runs on a blockchain technology and is secured by cryptography that makes it hack proof, and it has the fastest transaction mode. Okay, you can be in wherever you are, send money to someone through cryptocurrency. The person receives it in minutes, in seconds. In fact, if it's the same exchange to exchange, the person gets it instantly. Once they just tap on the send button, do the verification, the money gets to the person instantly. Okay. Then decentralized finance. Cryptocurrency transactions are peer to peer and not controlled by any central authority or bank. Now let's look at the growth of cryptocurrency. Okay. Bitcoin, along with many other cryptocurrencies, has shown the highest growth in value in the last 10 years. This makes crypto the best performing digital asset as compared to any other forms of investment. A few days ago, I saw a post by uh, Poor Dad, Rich Man, or say Poor whatever. Who knows that author? So he talked about, he made a comment, and people were like, hey, then it means now it's useless investing in gold. It's like gold is losing its value. Okay, instead of investing in gold, you better go in for crypto. Now let's look at the last decade, the best performing assets here. Amazon shares has 1,052%, has increased by that. Then Tesla, 12,039%. Then Apple, 736%. Then we have Bitcoin, 569,772%. Robert Kiyosaki, thank you, Mausina. S&P, 277%. Google, 703%. Microsoft 1,021%, gold 9%. So which one would you go in for? The best performing assets. Mind you, all these assets were there before crypto came. But see how crypto is running. And even the whole population, not everyone has even heard about cryptocurrency. So imagine if it becomes so popular everywhere and everybody knows about it. Imagine what will happen. it will be it will be crazy, man. Now, enough of the explanations and features of cryptocurrencies. Someone is just saying at the background, just teach me how to earn from it. That's all. Don't go long talk. So there are so many ways one can earn from cryptocurrency. We have investing and holding. Okay. Crypto investing is the act of buying and holding crypto assets to derive higher appreciation in the future. In the future can be tomorrow, can be tomorrow next, can be 2 years, can be 3 years, can be 4 years. It all depends the time you bought the asset. Another way to earn from cryptocurrency is mining. Mining is the process used to generate new coins and verify new transactions over decentralized networks of computers around the world that verify and secure blockchains. 3. Staking. Staking is when you lock crypto assets for a set period of time to help support the operation of a blockchain. In return for staking your crypto, you earn more cryptocurrency. Now, the last way to earn in crypto is the most popular way people earn in cryptocurrency, which is the trading. Crypto trading inclines more towards the shorter or quicker route. It seeks refuge in the volatility of the crypto market to make the best of price fluctuations. One can pay close attention to the crypto market and invest in day trading for quicker trading profits. So you can see on my screen here. Let me take a screenshot for you to see. So let's assume you bought the asset when the price was over here and the price has gotten here. You take profit here. You buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. That is how we make profits in trading. Okay. Now, would you want to learn how to trade so that you can make some money or you can earn some money? I believe the answers I'll get from my people, the new people that are in this meeting, would be yes, they would love to learn. Now, you know that everything one does in life, there are requirements, okay? You cannot just stand up and just say, I want to become a lawyer, then you just wake up and become a lawyer. You have to pass through some processes. Now, in crypto trading too, there are 3 essential requirements before starting any crypto business. 1, you must have the knowledge. 2, you must have the time. 3, you must have the patience, because if you are going to learn how to use the trading view to analyze coins or to analyze assets, it takes time. You need a lot of patience to be able to get it right. Now, someone is sitting here thinking, hey, so I need to get all this before I'll be able to start this business. Then I don't think I can do this business. So worry not. We have the ultimate solution for you. I present to you Royal Quantitative Robot. Royal Q is a super intelligent automated crypto trading bot that uses artificial intelligence algorithms to trade for you in your crypto exchanges. In fact, that word is bolded and underlined. You know, in school, when our teachers used to teach us, when they write notes on the board, there are some words that you see that they'll use a different marker to write it, and they'll underline it or bolded it. That tells you that this word, you have to pay attention really to this particular word or this thing. So, to trade for you in your crypto exchange. What is crypto exchange? Crypto exchange is a platform where one can buy cryptocurrency, one can sell cryptocurrency, one can withdraw, one can deposit, one can send and trade or convert crypto to fiat or fiat to crypto, vice versa. That is what we call a crypto exchange. Now, most people confuse themselves. Some people call crypto exchange crypto wallet. No. With the crypto exchange, the wallet is inside the exchange. But we have crypto wallets too, like the Trust wallets, the MetaMask, the whatever. There are a lot of wallets. Those ones are protected by your 12 phrase. Now, when you go to YouTube, Telegram, and things, you see some people on Facebook, they are selling accounts. You will see some long figures in it. Don't worry yourself to buy it, because when you buy it, it's useless. You cannot take whatever is inside. Okay. But with the exchange, it's secured and protected. Okay. Now, just think of it as hiring a cryptocurrency trading expert to do your crypto trading while you can sit back and watch the profit grow. Don't go and waste money to pay any broker. That, oh, I've met this broker online. Hey, I've heard of this app. They say, oh, this broker is really good. Please, don't let anybody deceive you. These brokers, so they'll just chop your money and leave you miserable. I've had so many examples, so many people that I know personally that have been scammed by brokers, even here in Germany. Okay? Don't let anybody deceive you. So, in a nutshell, with the Royal Q robots, your trading capital would not be on the Royal Q robot. It's going to be in your exchange, meaning you have full control. Now, let's look at some quick features about the Royal Q bot. One, security, because if you are entering into something, you have to know how secure the thing is so that you not lose your money. Your capital and your trading profit remains in your exchange wallet in your control, on which Royal Q doesn't have permission to withdraw or transfer. Your own crypto exchange, if you want to send money to someone, you have to pass through security verification. In fact, the verifications, you might even get angry if you don't have patience. You'll be like, my own money, I want to withdraw. I have to use this. I have to do that. I have to bring code from here. It's too much now. Is that not my own money? Yes, it's your own money. But the platform has put in these measures for your own good. Okay. Now, two, the robot is very, very intelligent, super intelligent. Royal Q executes quantitative trading using artificial intelligence, real-time monitoring, and tracking of big data algorithms. That is, continuous income is generated. Three, works 24/7. Cryptocurrency is the only market that works 24/7. Today is a holiday. When you go out, the banks are closed. There's no bank on this planet Earth that is working. They are closed. But with crypto, it's open 24/7. Okay, the forex market, everywhere it's closed. It's only cryptocurrency that is open. So therefore, the Royal Q trades for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without taking a leave. Also, 24/7 real-time monitoring, so you can make money even while you sleep on automatic mode. 4, no loss, only profit. With Royal Q, there is no risk of loss, as the robot is programmed only to trade in profit and never sell in a loss. So it simply means if the robot buys a particular asset for you and the price of that asset has not increase for it to sell based on whatever trade and take profit you have set, the robot will not sell at a loss. It will not say, okay, let me just sell at a loss. No, it's not designed that way. It's not programmed to sell at a loss. 5, it has the maximum return on investment. Although profit depends on your trading capital and the market conditions. If we say market conditions, it simply means the movements in the market. One moment you see the market is down, the next moment you see it's up. Okay, so that is the movement we are talking about. That is the market conditions I'm talking about. Still, you can expect 10 to 30% monthly profit. And in the long term, 100 to 500 annual return on investment is possible. We've been there before. We are still there. And I know what I'm talking about. 6, affiliate income. Royal Q also comes with an exciting affiliate program. Into bracket, this one too is bold and underlined. Completely optional. It's not by force. It's not compulsory to take part in the affiliate program. If you want to share its benefits with your friends or family, you earn wonderful commissions on their profits too. It means whoever you bring on board, once they activate, you are being compensated. If you are making profit, you are also being compensated. Now, how do you start? You need 2 major apps. 1, the Royal Key Robot. How do you get it? You need someone who is already in the business. You need their referral link. Fill out the registration form through that link. You are redirected to another page where you can tap download. That download button sends you to your store, the device you are using. You can get the app on Apple Store, Google Play Store, and Android Store. So once you tap on the download button, it sends you to the appropriate store to download the Royal Q app. Binance is an exchange that without it, you cannot connect the Royal Q robot to it. Okay. There are so many exchanges you can connect Royal Q robots with. There are 9 different exchanges. Okay, we have Binance, we have HTX, we have Indodax, we have KuCoin, we have Gate.io, we have Kraken, we have Bybit, we have OKS, and we have Mexi. 9 different exchanges you can connect the Royal Key robot to. But depending on the region or the country in which you are, because not all exchanges are in some countries. Thankfully, in Germany, I have access to all the 9 exchanges. Okay. But some countries, the laws governing those countries, some countries are not crypto friendly. Okay. But the countries that are really crypto friendly, they accept everything. Okay. So depending on the country you are or the region you are, you'll be guided on which exchange to use. So let's look at Binance. The reason why I highlighted Binance is because it's known to be the number 1 trading platform, even though it's been in existence since 2017. It has actually made waves in the crypto industry. When you go to CoinMarketCap, you'll be able to see, let's go to exchanges. Binance is number 1. Always 24/7 is number 1. Every time. Nobody has actually outranked them. Okay. Why are they the number 1 leading exchange worldwide? Because of their security, their safety, and the offers that they have for their customers. So it attracts more investors to trade on their platform. All right. So Binance is known to be the largest crypto marketplace, world's first ranked crypto exchange. It can have a daily volume of more than 76 billion. It means this is the amount of money people have pumped into there. Binance exchange, okay? Leading crypto exchange in the world, highly secure facilities, up to 5 levels of security keys. Only you can withdraw or transfer. Like my Binance, you need my face to be able to enter. Without my face, you cannot enter. If I give you the credentials and you try, they will not allow you without passkey. Even if you want to skip the passkey, they'll ask you for Google Authenticator code and also email and also phone. So there are so many levels of security you can put in place to secure your app. Okay. All right. Let us look at some quick recap of the Royal Q application. So it's an AI robotic trading platform trading on Binance, HTS, and all the 9 exchanges I mentioned. It has over 2 million users worldwide, and it's in 200 countries. The total profit made on this Royal Q is more than 182 million USDT. This PDF is older, but that's why you see 118. Okay, but we have made 182 and still counting. It's part of the top 7 financial app on iOS, on Google Play Store as well. It's the first ever quantitative AI trading application. In fact, you just ask ChatGPT, just type, what is Royal Q? You will be shocked the answers it will give you. Not only ChatGPT, ask all the AIs that we have now. You will be shocked. I was there recently when one of my team members from Royal Q brought one business to me that, oh, my leader, I found this platform. The way you are so passionate in crypto, I know you would love it. Whilst you are here, you are there too. You don't put all your eggs in one basket. In fact, I just waited for her to finish preaching. I said, are you done? She said, yes. So won't you ask the name? I said, okay, tell me, what's the name? I was like, oh, it's called P6. I said, oh, interesting. I said, just hold on, I'm coming. I just went to ChatGPT. What is P6? Let me do it here so that you'd see. Some people think I'm lying. Okay, so I'll just read summary. The rest we don't need it. While PSEX member appears to be a legitimate cryptocurrency exchange based in India, PSEX exchange has been associated with fraudulent activities and scam allegations. Potential users should exercise caution. Do you know her money is on the platform? She cannot withdraw it. Guys, scammers are everywhere and they are using the platforms well. So you have to do your due diligence before you put. People think, oh, all exchanges are good. No, 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 no. Let's go to Coin Market Cap. Look at the exchanges. Number one, number two. There are lots and they are ranked. Some of the exchanges, they are not here. You wouldn't find them on Coin Market Cap. Look at this exchange. Within the last 24 hours, $510. That's the only money that has been invested in this exchange. Rudex. Would I invest in such an exchange? No. Why would I invest here? Do you understand? But look at number one exchange. Within the last 24 hours, 15 billion USDT has been invested. Can you see that? Guys, do not let anybody deceive you. I always say, if you meet an online platform where you do not have control over your capital. Not having control over your capital simply means your capital is not with you, it's with the platform. They gave you wallet address to put it on. They gave you their so-called exchange to put it on. It's a scam. On Binance, if I say, I don't want to do Royal Q again, I've changed my mind. My Royal Q, my trading capital is not on my Royal Q app, it's on my Binance exchange. I don't need to ask permission from Binance CEO that I want to take my money out of Binance. Can I? No. I'll just use my free will to take my money. Full stop. Guys, another one came called CBEX. So the P says CBEX. Now there are those common exchanges and they are not actually there for the right reasons. Okay. So you have to be careful. Once a company or someone says, send money to me, it's a scam. Take it from me. I don't care how much they pay per seconds or per minute. It is a scam. Just take your money and leave before you would lose. Now, the Royal Q application, for you to be able to bind it to an exchange, it must have API. Without the API feature, you cannot. There are some exchanges that do not have API feature. Without API feature, it means you cannot connect the Royal Q robot to the exchange. Okay. Now, with the API binding, we only take read and trade only. We don't take withdrawal, we don't take transfer. So you know that your money is secured in your exchange. In 2 years' time, 3 years' time, you come and meet your money in your exchange. Now, let's look at my screen here. You can see Royal Q and Binance. So the Royal Q serves like your Google Pay or your Apple Pay, and Binance serves like your bank. Okay, but this one we will name it Crypto Bank. So what binds the two applications so they can communicate? What binds them together is called the API. Okay. Now, the Royal Q robot is free to register and to download the app. You don't pay anything for downloading the app, but you have to pay for the subscription. The whole year, you pay 120, but you don't pay it monthly, or you don't pay it. When you want to join, you want the robot to start working for you, you need to activate it with a fee of 120. Then the bot will be valid for a whole year for you. Just take it as if every month you are paying $10, because if you divide 120 by 12 months, it's 10 for every month. Okay, I feel that is good. Now, out of the 120, Royal Q distributes 80 back to the users. That is you and me, especially those who are promoting the application. Then we have another fee we pay. It's called the fuel fees. We pay 20% of every profit that you make. I'm not sharing my screen. Hey, my co-host, I can see my screen. Can you guys see my screen? Please type yes in the chat. Leader Doris, great. Can you see my screen? Okay, yes, yes, yes. All right, thank you. So whoever says I can't see the screen, or you mean I can see the screen? Okay. Are you showing us a screen? We cannot see. Oh, because I'm using two devices and I'm able to see my screen. So whoever is saying that, maybe you are not on the right page. Okay, don't go to where you see the participants. You have to scroll to. Yeah, it's better to leave and rejoin again. I think that will help. All right, so let's continue. Because I'm like, does it mean all this presentation? You guys didn't see anything. Like someone would have told
We
me.
are seeing it, Alida.
All right, thank you. Okay, so the full fees, Royal Q says that of every trading profit Royal Q makes for you, it deducts 20% as fuel fees. Now, mind you, I told you that Royal Q cannot go into your exchange to take money from there. It simply means the 20% that they are supposed to charge on the profit you made, they cannot go and take it in your exchange. So that is why you are entitled to deposit fuel fee before you be able to, how do you call it? Before you be able to use the robot, because without fuel fee, you can't start a trade. Okay. Now, the fees is charged only when you make a profit, not on your capital. So let's assume you traded with $100, you made a profit of $5. The profit they are charging, the 20%, it will not be on the 100. Instead, it will be on the $5 you made as profit. Okay, so that is the charges. Now, Royal Q then converts this 20% into 100. Then 70% of it is distributed to the uh, promoters of Royal Q. People like me, I promote it boldly. Now, let's look at the Royal Q compensation plan. That is for those who are interested in sharing of the opportunity. Okay, there are 4 ways to earn in Royal Q. Self-trading, that is your own trading capital. Then we have the affiliates program. Then we have the mentorship and the copy trader. Okay. Self-trading, your own trading capital. The affiliates program, you earn from 2 main ways. You earn from activation bonus and trading bonus. Now, let me break down activation bonus. So with the activation bonus, if someone uses your link, you earn 30 to 70, depending on the rank that you are on. And the money comes on your Royal Queue instantly. Once the person activates, it comes instantly. Then the team trading profits is from 4 to 12%. Okay. Anytime your team members are making profit, you are also making some profit. So this table shows the ranks. There are only 6 levels in this business. First to the 6th rank. And with the direct people that you need for the V1, we all started from there. Once you activate, you get to that rank automatically. And if someone shares the opportunity, this is the earnings that you make on that rank. 30 on each activation and 4% team reward ratio. Then the second rank, you need 3 V1s and 20 total team members. Now, the 3 is part of the 20. Okay, so if you want to deduct the 3 from the 20, then 17. Okay. Then you earn 40 if you use your link on this rank, then 6% of the team reward. Then the third rank, you need 5 people directly under you. Then 3 V2s, meaning you have to produce 3 different people on this second rank, but they have to be from different lines. They are not supposed to be on the same line. Then you need team members of 100. Now, mind you, the 100 total, this 20 is already part. So if you have 20, it means you are adding 80 more. It's not like 120. Okay. Then you earn 50 once you use your direct referral. From the second level to the 7th level, you earn indirect activation bonus. Okay, uh I have to edit this PDF. Okay, so the indirect bonuses start from the 2nd level and above. The 2nd level, you earn $10 if someone on V1 activates someone, but the V3 you earn 20 plus another 10. If the V1s activate people, you earn 20. If the V2s, you earn 10. Then if you're on V3, you don't earn any activation, peer activation bonus. But on the V4, you earn. Okay, so this is the illustration of the team building. Now, the potential income. This is an estimate of daily potential income, how much you can earn at each rank in Royal Queue, depending on the rank you are. It's a potential income. It doesn't mean once you get to this rank, you start making it. It's not magic. If you and your team members are working, it's possible for even to make more than this. Now, another exciting benefits in the Royal Queue is a global dividend, and I can't wait to get to the last rank. Because once you get to the last rank, you earn these bonuses, and it's crazy. The money that one has gotten from this part is mind blowing, especially during the last bull run. That was in 2021. those leaders on this rank, they made $20,000 in a day, 20,000 USDT, 30,000, 15,000. This one is not they say. Oh, I happen to know some of them on this rank, and thankfully, my upline has gotten to this rank, and I believe this year's bull run, he will show us more evidence. I pray I get to that rank before bull run. So yes, the global dividend, there are two major incomes over there. We have the activation gain, which is $10 from all global activations, meaning the whole world. If everybody activates, Royal Q keeps $10 down out of the 120. Then at the end of the day, they share it among all the people on this last rank. Then the trading global dividend, that is 2% from every trading profit and globally, is taken from the fuel fees and shared among all V6 monthly. So every month you notice that at the end of the month, you see that all the V6, they are smiling because the money they've gotten, some get 10,000, 8,000, 1,000, depending on how the month went, how the monies that we made. Okay. Now, this is a projection of the power of duplication. Anyone that is interested, is possible. If you follow this, you would be able to get 4,096 people. Guys, it is real, it's true. Okay. And this is just an illustration of a 3-year projection, okay, of how much income you'll be able to make at the end. Now, I'll not end here, but I'll quickly share my screen for you to see how the Royal Q application looks like. When you get on board, you get more understanding and more meaning. This is how the app looks like. Let's go to App Store. But don't go and download from App Store, especially Google. It's only on Apple that once you type Royal Q, you only meet one. But when you go to the Google Play Store or Android, you see so many Royal Q. The fake ones are among them. So you have to be careful. That is why it's good to use the referral link, register, then you'll be able to get everything perfectly. Okay. So this is how the application look like. It's been existing for the past 7 years now. Yeah. Okay. So they went through beta trading and they tested it. They tried it with some companies, blah, 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 before they open it up for the public use. Okay. So you can see uh the ratings and the reviews. And some time ago, I went through the reviews. I couldn't believe pure Germans are actually using the application. I'm like, oh my God, I thought I was the only person in Germany using the Royal Q app. Okay, so that is how the application looks like. So, yeah, here are all the exchanges you can connect to the exchange, to the Royal Q robots, and you can see people are making profits. Futures, you can trade on the futures market and on the spot market, okay, depending on your taste. So yeah, this is how the Royal Q robot looks like. And if you want to see a live trade, the trades are in session. BTC is currently running here. You can see the prices are moving because it's a live trade, okay. So yeah, that is it. There are no losses here. The robot only sells in profit. Now let me stop sharing this screen and share on another screen where you'll be able to see withdrawals that have been made. So the screen I shared to you was on the trading page. Okay. So let's look at the team building aspect. There are people in my team that are only trading. They've not even brought a single person. They've been on this platform for 3 years. Okay. Some too share at the same time trade. I share this opportunity passionately. Okay. I started without a trading capital. I just activated the bot and here I am. Okay. Let me share my screen on a different device so you can see. So if you're someone that you do not have enough money, you're like, hey, I will now get robot money, 120. Full fee, at least you can start with 20. Then I need, what else? I need trading capital. Maybe it might be too much for you. I started with only $100. By then the robot was not 120. I activated. I told my upline, as I'm going to look for capital to trade, is there any other medium I can make money from this opportunity? He said, of course, now. I just did that with you. I'm like, okay, which is, he said, I shared my link with you, right? Now that you've activated, you also have your personal link that you can share with others. I said, wow. That same night I joined, I brought 3 people on board. I made $90. I couldn't believe it that I didn't move an inch and I just made $90. As the people I brought on board started trading, I started earning extra. I'm like, wow, it means I can get trading capital from the sharing of the opportunity. I do not have to go and look for another capital. He said, of course. Today, that my upline, he started with only 85 because he had to borrow the rest of the money from his upline. Can you believe today this guy has made more than 300,000 USDT? I think 382,000 USDT from just sharing alone. Now he's trading with huge capital. He can just buy one coin, put 10,000 on it. So you see, someone with $85. Today his life has changed because of the Royal Q robot. So the monies you make from team building, that is introducing someone to it, you might not have the capital, you might not have, you know, all the funds, but there's someone who has it and interested. Just introduce them. Once you introduce them, you earn your 30 USDT, cool one. Then you go your front, okay? So these are some of the withdrawals because I know most people will be like, hey, these platforms, once you drop the money, are you sure if you activate someone, you'll be able to withdraw? Yes, please. You'll be able to withdraw. Ever since I started doing Royal Q, I've never heard any excuses like the withdrawal is in this thing, blockchain, the withdrawal is in traffic in blockchain, all this scam businesses I did in the past, I had a lot of ridiculous excuses. Okay. Like, oh, the money is stuck in the blockchain, it's in traffic. Which traffic? By then, I didn't know crypto, so I believed it. Okay, you shared the opportunity. Money has come onto the platform. For you to withdraw, you need the CEO's approval. They'll tell you you only withdraw on Saturdays, on Sunday dawn. In fact, the excuses were too many. But with Royal Q, once you activate the person, it's withdrawable within the next 24 hours. Simple as that. Okay, if it's 3 figures, 4 figures, you can withdraw it. Royalty will not say, okay, because you are withdrawing every day, you used to withdraw 2 figures, 3 figures. Today, how come you are withdrawing 5 figures? So we'll not give you the money. We'll hold on. No, there is nothing of that sort. I've been using this application since 2021. Leader Doris Great, at least I have one person with me from 2021. I see Leader Eunice from Kenya. She's also here. She has also been using this application from 2021. If I'm lying, they can tell me that, hey, this woman, you can lie. You can lie too much. These are the proofs, okay? So most of my earnings, you see two at the end because of, the charges. Every amount you withdraw, Royal Key will charge you 2 USDT. Guys, there are people that are being scammed. Get those people, tell them they shouldn't cry anymore. They have control over their money. Someone sold their car, someone sold his house to go and invest into these so-called businesses. They lost all their money. They just woke up one day, they said they cannot withdraw the app, they can't log into the website. It has happened to me. I've been there before. But guys, when I came across Royal Q, I said bye-bye to Ponzi. I said bye-bye to all this return on investment, okay? And I'm so glad I took that decision. I'm so glad that I never have to look back again. If someone come to me, hey, this one, they said they are paying 10,000 per hour, per second. I say, okay, thank you. Enjoy. Enjoy whilst it lasts. I wish you all the best. I'm just here where I can control my money. That is what matters. And guys, imagine sharing of this opportunity. You earn cool money. Cool. This is four figures. How much was it? Was charged? Two USDT. Royal Q is not greedy and said that this money you are withdrawing is too much. We'll take 50%. We'll take 10%. No. 2 USDT. This is another four figure. 1,000 USDT. They charge 2,000 arrived within a minute in my exchange. Okay? The trading profit, it goes into your exchange because that is where your trading capital is. If a coin sells for you, it returns the capital and the profit back into the USDT asset. So you have to take it into your funding wallet, then send it to your bank, or however, there are so many methods of withdrawals in Europe here. I use the cards, okay? I use the crypto card. You can see I have KuCoin, I have Bybit. I really use it for a lot of transactions. Okay, let me see if I can go. Oh no, I'm sharing my screen. I don't usually share my exchange on online, but let me see. Maybe I can get the history here because I know someone will be like, "This is not true." Okay, so this is 105. This is 19. This is 42. You can I even shop with it. This is an a shopping center. Okay, I shop with it. Uh let me see. Yeah, today I did a transaction, but it has not yet reflected. I added two or something, but it has not yet reflected. Okay, so guys, my Bybit too, I've been using it for a lot of transactions. Okay, over more than 6,000. Okay, so that is it. In Europe, you can use the cards. In Africa, too, there is a recommendable crypto card that all of you can go and get. It's called Red Dot. Okay. Whoever has the link can share it on the Zoom so that others can have it. It's a Visa card that MasterCard that you can take your crypto on it and withdraw through any ATM, or you can link your bank to the exchange and simply withdraw. Okay, so these are all the withdrawal history. I can scroll through down to 2021 when I started the business. Okay, I know there are a lot of doubting Thomases. They are like, is that true? How can this business last for 5 years? Hey, this is not true, guys. I'm not here to lie to anybody. Okay, this is reality. So yes, if this is how the application looks like, all the features are there. We teach you through it to know how to navigate through the app. So yeah, this brings us to the end of my presentation. I'm going to end with one of my favorite quotes that says, where is my favorite quote? Hey, wait, let me stop sharing. Okay, I see someone sharing something. Is it the link for Red Dots? Please, that's the only one I want someone to post. Don't post any link again. So, my favorite quote by who? Who can guess the person's name? He said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. This I know most Africans will say, who is that cursing us? It's not curse. This is reality. Okay. This is reality. So, guys, that brings us to today's end of the meeting. If you have any questions, please tap on reactions and tap on raise hand. Then I can see your hand. I'm going to show you briefly how to do that. Let me share my screen. So yeah, instead of giving your money to some broker who claim he knows it all, instead of you believing in a platform that you don't have control over your capital, they'll tell you, okay, put, do this, do this. How can they be giving you signals on Instagram? How can they be like, oh my God? I was telling someone today, and the person asked that, what's the name of the platform that just collapsed? I said, Two Fro. He was like, Two Fro. What's the name alone cries irritating. How can you invest in such a platform when you hear the name like this, guys? So please save people from scamming. It's not easy. Someone have died through it in Nigeria, in Kenya. People are dying. People have lost their husbands because of all these scammers. And it's only greed that will take you there. So, guys, you have to shine your eye. If it's a platform you don't have control over your capital, forget it. Don't bother how much they pay. Okay. So, tap on reactions, raise hand. Then I'll see your hands in the participants, okay, if you want to ask a question. So, yeah, I'm going to stop sharing and take questions. If there are any questions in the chat too, I'll address them. So, thank you guys. Thanks for listening in. All right, so let's see. Uh, Chrissy says you earn when you work. Okay, no, I've mentioned this already. Mm. P-Sex is one of the Ponzi scheme we are dealing with now. Joy TV just did a documentary about them and QNet. Thank you, Princess Minat. It's happening worldwide, okay? So guys, you have to shine your eye, or else they'll scam you. Only people. Oh, Gen B. Ah, Gen B came to the participant. That is why he couldn't see. All right. Chrissy, which link did you post? Is it the red dots? Please let me know. I don't want anybody to just tap on some link and it would send them to some place. I hope it's the red dot link you shared. Kindly reply us in the chat so we know for people. Oh, this is the red dot card link. Okay, thank you so much, Chrissy. You're not in the business and you already have red dot card. Hey, then you mean business, then you're already into crypto. Grace says, thank you, Doris. Welcome. Red dot. Okay. Warren, thank you. Hey, this iPhone 4, you are too good for my liking. How I wish I know you by name. Thank you for sharing your knowledge with us. Okay, welcome. Please repeat the quote. Oh, Mausina, my namesake wants the quote. He said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Did you get it clear? I hope you got it now. I'll send it to you. It's on the group. Okay, I'll send it to you. Thank you, Leader Sophie, for the compliments. Leader Minata say fooling people. Okay, Rabbi Elvis. Okay, you two, you shared the red dot link. Okay, so the link they are sharing is the red dot. If you want to order for the card, just tap on the link, register, and follow the instructions. It's very easy. Okay. So iPhone 4 says how to sign up. What is the link to join? So iPhone 4, unfortunately, I don't know your name. This one, whoever invited you, the person will not know you are here. So it's good when you come on the Zoom meeting, just tap on where you see your iPhone 4. Then you will see rename. Click on it, you see rename. Then you can rename so that if I invited you and you are called Kweku, but if you come with iPhone 4, how will I know it's you now? Okay. Yeah, if you don't find a way, thank you for repeating that. I have Binance too. I just never joined Royal Q. Okay, Chrissy. So you're welcome to give it a try. Okay. Crystal is iPhone. Ah, so Crystal joined with two different devices. Oh wow. How do we join? Great presentation. Okay, so Crystal, please, whoever invited you, kindly go back to them and get the referral link to join. Gen B is asking, do you know which areas accept Binance in the UK? I would lie to you if I say I know. In 2021, I had some team members in the UK. By then, we were using the Binance card. Some part of the UK were able to order the Binance card and it came. Some parts, it said it's not available in your region, but it's been long. And I don't know whether it's this city or this state or I'm sorry, I can't. But another thing I know is the people in Africa who had it already, or people who were in the UK when there was no ban on Binance, they are still able to use their Binance app. So give it a try. You might not know. One guy who is a Nigerian, he verified himself. He had a Binance, but later it said it was no more opening in his region. One day we went to Zoom. He said, "Let me give it a try." Then it came. Then he did the verification with his UK document. They verified him. So You can just be trying your luck until, I don't know. But in the UK, Kraken and OKS is recommendable if the Binance is not working for you. But if you're someone who is from Africa and you used to travel to Africa, anytime you go to Africa and you have your identity card, just get all the exchanges connected to Royal Q, do all the verifications before you return back. Once you return back, you'll be able to use them. Okay, that's another tip. Okay, amazing presentation. Thank you. Annette RG, I don't know you too. I believe you're also new. Okay, welcome. Andrew Ramming. Earlier this year, Royal Q was promoting an account that came with an agent, and the bot was, oh, please. Uh, this is actually a scam. Okay, so Royal Q even alerted us on the app. I don't know if I can find that advert, that you shouldn't trust anybody. They send us email, they send us messages on the Royal Q app. People are saying Royal Q is having how do you call it, packages. There is nothing like that. Okay, Andrew, there is nothing like that, that they have a full package that this, no, 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 please. With Royal Q, you only pay 120 to activate the robot. You get your fuel fee. The fuel fee, once it's finished, you need to top up. But your trading capital lies in your exchange, so we don't have anything of that sort. Okay, all those agents are liars. Okay, I've ordered red dots and I already use Binance. Okay, great. How long has Royal Q been around? Okay, that's what you want to know. Uh, since 7 years now. Okay, 7 years. But I started using it 2021. In March 2021, they opened it to the public through Play Store and all the Apple Store. Okay. So yeah, that is it. All right. Okay, thanks. How can we do it? Gen B, you mean the Binance? I'm going to assist you privately after the Zoom. Just chat me privately, please. Portia says, I'm from the Caribbean. Okay, Portia Lawrence, you're welcome. I was invited by Sophia. You mean Sophie, right? Sophie Coops. Because we have Sophia and we have Sophie. So I think you are referring to Madame Sophie. Eh, Madame Sophie Coops. Okay, all right. You're welcome. Uh Good presentation, Ma. Please, Ma, I have two prospects in the meeting today. God bless you, Ma. They want to know more and learn about trading. Yeah, so I hope they joined early. If not, they'll have to watch the recorded version, or I can do another one-on-one with them on a conference call or on Zoom, probably tomorrow. Okay. For the learning there, they cry, they'll be tired of learning, because in this our business, we educate people. We don't only give you the fish, we teach you how to fish, so that once you have that knowledge, you can use it for life. Okay, the knowledge we give with analyzing of coins, knowing what time to enter into the market, what time not to, all this knowledge, you can use it in all the financial markets. And this is gold. Okay, because people pay thousands of dollars to learn about this. We teach about affiliate marketing. If you want to bring people on board, the process in which, how to do it, we teach all this. There are some people who charges this on all social media. I know this woman I follow on Facebook. She's currently living in Dubai. She was in the UK at first. She's a Ghanaian. And this woman charges to teach about networking, teach about affiliate marketing, and come and see. People will be chasing her. They're like, oh, you've closed registration. She said, yes, I'm only taking 20 people. After that, you have to wait 3 months, 6 months. This one, people pay $3,000, 5,000, 1,005. We will give it free of charge. All this knowledge, we give it free of charge without charging anything. So if you find a platform like this, you have to make good use of it. Learn, teach your children, so that when they grow, they will not depart from it. Okay, I have mine. Okay, how do we get in contact with you? Hey, iPhone 4. Oh, that is Chrissy, right? So whoever gave you the link to join, I'm sure that person definitely know me. Okay, I'm very popular. So you can reach me through that person. Portia says, is it a trading app? Yes, Portia Lawrence. It's a quantitative trading app. Okay, it's an artificial intelligence app. I think you came in late. That's why you're asking this question. But kindly get the recorded version from whoever invited you on board. Jen B says, thank you, D. I'll link up after. Okay, welcome. So nobody raised their hands up. It means you guys do not want me to hear your beautiful voice. Portia says, yes, I fell asleep. Hey, how can you how can you sleep at my meeting? Because I know my meeting is not boring. All right, so I don't see any hands raised. It means you guys understood everything that I gave, but nobody is asking how much minimum can I start with. It means you guys are just here for, I don't know, but if you want to start, you can start with a minimum of 240 USDT. We use 120 to activate the robot, 20 for fuel fees, then 100 as a trading capital. See, with Royal Q, do you know what I discovered recently? The ChatGPT precisely can even give you perfect trade settings for the Royal Q robots, in as much as the Royal Q comes with its own default trade settings. You can chat GPT and say, hey, which coins do you think I can trade on Royal Q? Can you give me some settings? Oh my God, just try it. Those who are activated, try it and come and give me feedback. You would love it, guys. So this even tells you that Royal Q, no size. So yeah, that brings us to the end of the meeting. Please, is there specific time for trading, dearest? No, my dear. We give signals. Aside the signals, there are some coins that we can give you to trade 24/7 because those coins, there are movements in it all the time. Okay. They are not pump and dump coins. They are coins that the projects backing them are great and it has a great market dominance. So once you join, we'll teach you everything. We'll guide you. In fact, we'll hold your hands, give you all the steps until you are able to fly on your own. Okay. We usually hold Zoom meetings. Wednesdays, we have the back office training. I'll take my time, take you through the application, how to set up a trade, which coins to go in for. All those other questions are being addressed on Wednesdays. But unfortunately, it's for only activated members. So please, if you don't have your robot activated, please do not join that meeting. Then Saturday, I have the uh, new user orientation training whereby I'll take you through the whole application, where to see if you want to chat someone with the Royal Q app, how do you do that? If you want to become a mentor, how do you do that? If you like, in fact, the app is all in one, everything is inside. Okay. If you want to gain knowledge, how do you get it on the app? I'll teach you everything. But Mondays to Sundays, our mother team has meetings as well. In the mornings, twice in the morning, in the afternoon on the WhatsApp groups, and in the evening too as well. But my meetings are only 3 days: Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. That is when you would hear my sweet or my bitter voice. So I'm going to stop the recording now so I don't have a long